Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on ChatGPT.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up.
And then in the address bar, just type in chat.openai.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website, which will now ask you to either log in to your existing account or sign up and create a new one. In order to log in, simply click on the login button. Now you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address and click on the continue button and then type in your password to log in. Or you can also click on continue with Google if you have signed up using your Google account. Then simply select your Google account and then you will be logged into your account with ChatGPT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on ChatGPT.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.